Primeiro-Ministro Kairala Sanana Guzmão participa Timor-Leste International Business Forum Batina Rihun Rua Ronolo Resentoloni. Também maluk sira itahoto harei hanosori katak participa husi Forum Internacional husi membro governo Timor-Leste além de husi deputado Parlamento Nasional. Também maluk sira atu hatene di belakang idane hauselorita bot sira ba kompanyi moto. Sí, emang.
Jimmy. Leo. Ini dalam sore ini balaya. Bom dia. Ano ba ito magnena? Wow. Oi.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Democratic Republic of Timor-Leste, Mr. Kairala Sanana Guzmão. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is Timor-Leste's International Business Forum 2023. With the theme Felicio discovering blue and green opportunities for sustainable investment. A warm welcome to all the delegates from all the countries to Timor-Leste.
Senhoras e senhores, bom dia. É o Fórum Internacional de Negócios Timor-Leste 2023. Bem-vindo para delegados, senhor convidados.
To Timor-Leste's international races from 2023. We're about to go on live at 9 o'clock. Please be seated.
Senhoras e senhores, muitos convidados, bem-vindos à inauguração internacional da negócio de Congresso 2023. A cerimônia da NEC do Cielo, respeito ao Senhor do Convório.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, excellencies, welcome to Timor-Leste's International Business Forum 2023. It is 9 a.m. now, and virtually we're going to be commencing, and this is a live streaming on TV, YouTube, as well as national FM.
Kolega media sila. Saya foto-foto na pero ya jadi foto lah.
Sama ya, sama pasti kurang sama.
Before commence, please ensure your mobile phone is now on silent or vibration mode. This forum will commence in 5 minutes.
Teleponnya lebih hari sudah berbeda. Tidak berperkara. Pertama-tama. Mana ayo terus. Allah. Jangan itu internasional sih
Seleksia silakan dilihat alat favor y no utilice el móvil y tratar de mover silencio que vibración alat favor. All stand by.
ini pasal tambah biar Pak akan yang terbatas sudah bersama. Pe organ ruannya hokahon. Daily. वो पहले तो हाथे ही है हाथे अगर कुलिया पर नहीं है मैं हाथा आने ने lo que no viene de organ ruannya mau kahon
For your information, our simultaneous translation device is available if you require to access to our please raise your hand, and our organizing committee will distribute them. Loro diregono telespetadores televisão GMF.
Novinhos Nacional FM.
Para que voltem a sintonizar o nosso live stream e a canal YouTube GMF.
E telefone internacional para negócios de Timor-Leste 2023 ITA Rabu agora.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Timor-Leste's International Business Forum 2023, discovering blue and green opportunities for sustainable investment.
Senhoras e senhores, ilustres convidados, bom dia e bem-vindo ao IVA Fórum Internacional de Negócios Timor-Leste 2023, com o tema Descobrindo oportunidade azuis e verdes para o investimento sustentável.
This International Business Forum is organized by the government of Timor-Leste through the Office of Vice Prime Minister, Coordinating Minister for Economic Affairs and Minister of Tourism and Environment, in collaboration with Timor-Leste Chambers of Commerce and Industry.
Fórum Internacional de Negócios Timor-Leste 2023 organiza o Vice-Governo e o Vice-Gabinete Vice-Primeiro-Ministro e Ministro Coordenador de Assuntos Econômicos e Ministro do Turismo e Ambiente em colaboração com a Câmara de Comércio e Indústria Timor-Leste.
My name is Alberto Guerrero.
Raul Paulo Rodrigues.
As your Masters of Ceremony. And once again, please ensure your mobile phone is now on silent or vibration mode.
Antes assegura que da rotina telemóvel e na silêncio.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Timor-Leste, Patria Patria.
Senhoras e senhores, por sua do público, o hino nacional Pátria, Pátria.
Please remain standing for our prayers.
Por sua manter continua com a oração.
With respect, we invite Reverend Father Angelo Socia to lead the prayers.
We lead this prayer in the way tradition Catholic Church and my brothers here as a religion. We have to pray together according to your faith. In the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Noi Roma Santissima Trindade. A me agradece Baita Niedia Toma para jovem Irene. Con história no identidade. A me agradece da arriva Irene para Timor Leste. Hoje, o evento Timor-Leste International Business Forum. Momento de aquilo onde descobre e da boa vontade e da boa nome lá no rua para a jovem Irene. A me descobre a oportunidade, a minha vontade e determinação. Há muito comando parceria internacional CIRA. A descobre fraternidade, dom e partilha, experiência, amores, para bem comum, para dom, para justiça social, não vai morrer todo de moristia, para a ilha. A mim, justo na parte da volta, bem, só não lá no a do evento, ilha, sai um evento fraternidade, dom e partilha, a minha responsabilidade no comitimento. Porque vi povo ida de memoristia, a tu pouco único mahoen, como mata maliri e a memoris. Para aquela benção do governo e da neva ministério, no parceiro internacional ter o todo no meu vontade de sacrifício, mas a partilha com a mim e a logo comando que ele acompanha-me vá, a tu descobrimento e ele saiu uma oportunidade de benção, graça para o meu povo, para o meu serviço. por fraternidade e pelo possibilidade, serviço buga, uma dia tempo no espaço, amor e samuto, amor e sagmate, dia domingo, no dermaroma boa. Amin romane, por in Jesus Cristo nenara, amutu e Espírito Santo. O di Padre, o di Figlio, o di Spirito Santo si renara.
Ladies and gentlemen, Excellencies, please be seated.
Por favor, benedetto.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, now is the presentation. So in your title, The Undiscovered Island, produced by two young talented Tiberis named Amin Barreto and Jafet Potenzo Lopez, collaborating with two Australians, Dave Inabinet and Jack Nuggets, and a Portuguese, José Lopez.
Senhoras e senhores, ilustres convidados, permitam-se assistir a mundo a apresentação vídeo e a universidade da escola. Reclusos jovem Tiborona em Rua, Amin Barreto e Jafet Potenzo Lopes colaboram na luta com a australiana em Rua, no português na Ida, Dave Inabinet, no Jack Nugget, no José Lopes.
Por favor.
An island framed by vibrant reefs, a sanctuary for marine life. Its shores transition from shallow turquoise waters to the profound depths of the open sea. Here, the giants of the sea traverse its expanses, quietly passing by as they migrate to the open sea. Legend says that this land was formed by a crocodile, that a young boy once aided a stranded crocodile. As the years flowed by, the crocodile grew vast and mighty. In its final act of appreciation, the crocodile transformed its immense body into a rugged, sprawling island. The peaks and valleys mirrored its majestic form, and its scales etched the landscapes. Thus, the land of Timor-Leste was born. And now that island calls the modern explorer. It stands as a testament to adventure and open invitation to those who tread paths less traveled. Here, in this land, sculpted from legend, every horizon is a new story, every trail, a dance between history and discovery. This is the undiscovered island. This is Timor-Leste.
ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to the undiscovered island Timor-Leste.
Stand by the scan.
Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, to begin, we would like to invite His Excellency, Vice Prime Minister, Coordinating Minister of Economic Affairs and Minister of Tourism and Environment, Mr. Francisco Cavalli, to deliver his welcoming remarks.
Senhoras e senhores, muito obrigado por acolher a oferta. Sou Excelência Vice-Primeiro-Ministro, Ministro Coordenador de Assuntos Econômicos e Ministro do Turismo e Meio Ambiente.
Excelência, Presidente do Parlamento, Senhora Fernanda Lai, também não pode, também da outra União, Primeiro-Ministro, Paulo Caia Salamares. Verifici, Senhora Destinada, representante do nosso curso. Vice-Primeiro-Ministro, membro do Parlamento, membro do Governo, novo Governo Constitucional italiano, representante do nosso pastore di Roma, signor Marco Aprecci, corpo diplomatico, ambasciatore Bucheta, impresario nazionale o internazionale secondo. Buon dia a tutti. Permettiamo di la teoria e non vai in inglese, io da sana, da volta prima che comprende di Atona, Roma le fa, sia di Atona per Roma di così Obrigado. His Excellency Caio Salamares, former Prime Minister of non-constitutional government of the Republic Democratic of Timor-Leste. Excellency President of Parliament, Madam Fernanda Lai, good event. The first lady ever and the President of Parliament, we really put the hand on the heart. Very distinct from the Church of Hope. EDM, the Vice Prime Minister. And before I mention one by one, let me introduce first to you Mr. Subhachat, who is kindly presented. The Chairman and CEO of the Sofitel and so many hotels around the Conviva and Mincha. Wokai, Fernando, please. Good to see you. And distinguido the leaders and visionary interpreters. The international agency representative and development partner colleagues, and national businessmen who we call the member of CCPL. The Monterrey being demonstrated. Our nation's submission for a complete membership in the WTO, ASEAN, IPA, and future trade integration mark our commitment to international cooperation and the pursuit of shared economic prosperity towards achieving blue and green economy. Signify a well afternoon. The families, we talk to you from both ways, our central planning, regional planning, national planning, and tomorrow you will engage one by one, different teams from different sectors. So, I encourage all of you to get this opportunity to forge new partnership and strong avenues of the collaboration. Together, we can contribute to the economy, prosperity of Timor-Leste, and also the regional, creating a legacy of growth and opportunity and prosperity for the future and new generation. Last but not least, let me conclude. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all of you participants and organizers who have made this forum possible. I believe that the Timor-Leste International Business Forum 2022 is a gateway of prospering future development among businessmen, driving us to work for the future of sharing prosperity and economic advancement. Last but not least, as a minister of coordinated business of the county government, I would like to thank all my colleagues of the different ministerial across the support from the parliament and every one of you, especially the panel, and also international businessmen, local businessmen. I wish you all the luck. And tomorrow, start from now, hopefully we will see something happen, and I'm sure it will happen among you and I wish you all the best. Very, very good morning and welcome. Enjoy your day and beautiful team, beautiful sun, beautiful sea. So we call blue and green economy. It's very good combination, isn't it? Do you like it? See last night? You enjoy the stay? Yes? Yes? Later over there, Jesus Baja and stuff on there. See you come yesterday.
brings change. Adapt to new technologies and foster partnerships that can amplify this country's success through such forums. I urge all stakeholders present here, both local and international entities, investors, local policymakers, and community leaders to join hands in creating an environment conducive to the success of Timor-Leste. Timor-Leste's potential knows no bounds. It has full of natural resources, a young and energetic workforce, and vibrant culture that encapsulates its uniqueness. Let us leverage on this strength to build a diverse and robust economy for the benefit of people of Timor-Leste. I am very optimistic about the future of business in this country. Let us collaborate and propel Timor-Leste towards prosperity. Before I end my speech, let me take this opportunity to thank the organizer for organizing such an excellent international business forum. Let's give a big hand to the organizer of this event. Obrigado, terima kasih, 谢谢, 阿公卡。
leveraging on these resources, Timor-Leste can invest in infrastructure development, sustainable capacity building, as well as the promotion of responsible tourism practice. I believe that support will not only boost tourism sector in your country, but also create wonderful employment opportunities and stimulate economic growth and improving the living standards of your community. By encouraging sustainable private sector tourism investments and the participation of local communities, NGOs, and associations, I do certainly see huge potential for Timor-Leste for the tourism sector growth. Equally important is for us to promote the implementation of the ASEAN tourism marketing strategy. ASEAN has established an effective regional marketing campaign that's going to promote sustainable tourism practices across our region. Now, by aligning your national efforts with these regional marketing campaigns, Timor-Leste definitely has the potential to enhance visibility as a sustainable tourism destination and attracting much more responsible travelers, and also you can enrich and diversify your tourism offerings. You have a lot to give to the world. Together, I believe we can build a tourism industry in Timor-Leste that protects your natural resources at the same time contributing well to social economic development, not only to Timor-Leste but to the entire ASEAN region. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the theme of the forum, I love the theme, discovering blue and green opportunities for sustainable investment. This theme alone demonstrates the high priority placed by Timor-Leste government in actively engaging the private sector to be on board with all the critical needs to prioritize and to invest into initiatives that will preserve our natural environment while fostering economic opportunity growth. There is certainly a lot of what I call positive similarity here. I find that this is truly in line with ASEAN's regional focus on sustainability and circular economy. We believe in ASEAN that waste production is not an issue restricted only to our region, but it's a global problem. And in the last several decades, global waste production has increased in tandem with escalation in industrialization, and of course, coming from increasing consumption rates, which are all projected to grow by another 70% by the year 2050. Currently, as consumers become a lot more cognizant of the environmental consequences of their decisions, there is an expanding market demand for environmentally sustainable and socially responsible products. As a result, the increasing number of value chains in ASEAN manufacturing and services sectors are now beginning to focus on circularity models to lessen their environmental impact. And presently, it's not just merely regarded as a means of preserving environment, rather it has evolved into an economic necessity that presents tremendous opportunity for all micro, small, medium enterprises. In this in mind, I'd like to share that ASEAN has made quite a significant progress over the past 2 years under the establishment of the ASEAN Framework for Circular Economy, which actually features a mechanism that empowers and facilitates the transitions of MSMEs to circular economy adoption. These initiatives included capacity building, knowledge exchange, even financial assistance, and joint development of information and resource sharing platforms, all in order to facilitate the adoption of circular economic principles and acquisition of sustainable materials by our private sector in our region. I'm also pleased as two flagship online initiatives to help deliver a dynamic, up-to-date support to our MSMEs. The first is the ASEAN SME Academy. Now, this is something I want all of you, the private sector, to get hold of. This is an academy for ASEAN that offers MSMEs in our region to be able to have access to curated, high-quality e-learning resources that allow many of the members of the private sector and independent professionals independently enhance. Now, the second
platform is the ASEAN Access Platform. This is another critical platform for MSMEs in ASEAN. This one in return furnishes the MSMEs with a lot of comprehensive information pertaining to ASEAN markets, as well as facilitating connections, business connections between enterprises in the region via its business matching platform. In addition, this ASEAN Access Platform also includes today the new ASEAN Tariff Finder solution. This Tariff Finder solution is an online platform designed to support our exporters and importers to be able to maximize and get very quick answers on the benefits from regional and bilateral FTAs. This initiative is specifically designed to support MSMEs in order for them to identify the best tariff rates for their exports overseas. And this will actually help them to harness the best of that to benefit from ASEAN FTAs very much. Therefore, I would strongly encourage the business community in Timor-Leste to explore some of these resources that are now already available and connect yourself and help yourselves with some of these resources.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the CEO of Sofitel Phnom Penh, Cambodia, representing Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, and Myanmar, Dr. Supachai Karapujong, to deliver his remark on Indochina and the global investment opportunities in the region.
Gostaria lagi datang dari CEO Sofitel Phnom Penh, Cambodia, representa Thailandia, Cambodia, Vietnam, Laos, and Myanmar. Dr. Supachai Karapujong.